These are the only two exercises you need for massive forearms. The forearm involves a muscle group so neglected that more than 80% of men simply do not even know the correct way to train it. Many guys try to justify this negligence by saying that wrist size has genetic limits, that it cannot be increased, and that it is what you were born with. In reality, those who usually say this are simply too lazy to train this muscle. It can be improved both in strength and muscle definition, just like any other muscle group in your body. It is very common to see guys at the gym giving total priority to other muscles they consider more important, like chest, biceps, triceps, and abs, while completely neglecting the forearms. Those who do this are missing out on several benefits, such as increased grip strength that improves performance in practically all exercises involving holding weight, prevention of wrist and elbow injuries, and overall aesthetic balance of the arms. Forearms are muscles that are always visible, even when wearing a short-sleeved shirt. Well-developed forearms greatly improve the appearance of the arms. In this video, you will see the exercises you need to build massive forearms once and for all. First, it is important to understand the anatomy of this muscle group. The forearm consists of three main muscle groups. The wrist flexors are located on the inner part of the forearm and are responsible for bending the wrist inward. They give thickness to the underside of the forearm. The wrist extensors are located on the outer part of the forearm and are responsible for extending the wrist and lifting the hand upward. They give definition to the upper part of the forearm. The brachioradialis is the muscle that forms a visible ball on the outer side of the forearm near the elbow and is responsible for elbow flexion when the forearm is in a neutral position. Now that the forearm structure is clear, it is time to move on to the exercises that truly make this region grow. Exercise 1. Wrist extensions. Wrist extensions are fundamental for developing the back of the forearm, the region that gives definition when you extend your arm. This exercise directly works the extensor muscles of the forearm, which are often neglected but essential for balance development. To perform it correctly, sit on a bench and rest your forearm on your thigh with the wrist hanging off and the palm facing down. Hold a light dumbbell securely. Lift only the wrist as high as possible while keeping the forearm fixed. The movement should be slow and controlled. Avoid using excessive weight or momentum. Focus on muscle contraction. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions with proper technique. Include this exercise twice a week and increase the weight gradually without sacrificing form. Exercise 2. Wrist curls. Wrist curls are the main exercise for developing the flexors on the bottom of the forearm that give impressive thickness. Sit on a bench with your forearm resting on your thigh and your palm facing up. Hold the dumbbell and lift it using only wrist movement, contracting the flexors at the top. Lower the weight slowly to allow a full stretch. Avoid using heavy weight, momentum, or incomplete range of motion. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Wrist curls and wrist extensions can be trained on the same day, twice a week. Supersetting both exercises without rest can increase intensity and save time. These 2 exercises alone are enough to build forearms stronger than most people. For even greater results, additional movements can be added. Additional exercise 1. Farmer's walk. The farmer's walk is one of the most effective exercises for building powerful forearms. It works all forearm muscles through continuous isometric tension. Hold heavy weights in each hand, keep an upright posture, and walk a controlled distance. Use challenging weight, maintain good posture, and perform 3 to 4 sets. This exercise also improves posture, core strength, and endurance. Additional exercise 2. Reverse curl. The reverse curl emphasizes the forearm extensors and break. Hold a bar or dumbbells with palms facing down and curl the weight with controlled motion. Keep elbows close to the body and avoid momentum. Use lighter weight and focus on perfect execution. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions and include it 1 to 2 times per week. Additional exercise 3. Hammer curl. The hammer curl strongly activates the brachioradialis and contributes to thicker forearms. Hold dumbbells with palms facing each other and curl without swinging the body. Pause at the top and lower with control. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions with good technique. To maximize results, increase training volume progressively, maintain consistency, and ensure balanced training of all forearm muscles. A protein-rich diet is essential for muscle repair and growth. Without proper nutrition, Results will not come, regardless of training intensity. Thank you for watching this far, and may God bless you, my friend.